Hi everyone, Namaste. Today we will see a very good application that is for your checking your health and tracking how many steps are we taking for walking purpose. So the name is Step Pedometer. I'll show you how to go and install it. So first of all, go to your Play Store here, and as usual, whichever app you want to install, just type it. So here I will type Step Tracker and press enter. Okay. So there are many applications here. You can see there are many applications which you can use for just to see how much you are walking, how many calories you have burnt, or how many minutes have you been walking, or how many kilometers. Even if you do it at home, you can track it. Okay. So I will there are many applications, but I will refer this one, Step Tracker Pedometer. Install it. So it's getting installed. Let's open it. So you can see when you open it, it will ask that we need permissions. Without it, the app won't work. So just go to set, click on yes basically, and put allow. So here the permission required is protected apps. Click on it, allow, just do allow. So it's asking you basically that when you open this app, and then probably you put in your purse or your pocket, it will continue to run in the background so that it counts how many steps you have taken, and it checks or the path where you are going. So you don't have to hold this mobile every time when you run this app. Okay. So this is a very nice app. You can even, there are many features here. So for example, you can see here you have the GPS tracking. Okay, if I put a start, it just means that, and this is the first time we are doing, you just click on yes everywhere, and when you click on start, it means
3, 2, 1.
yeah. So here after doing this, I'll just put it on lock mode, and I will go for my walk. It's checking how many where am I going, or how many steps I've been taking. You can see here live. Yeah. So you can see I've taken just 25 steps, and so if you go for a walk, no problem, just keep this on, put the mobile back into your lock mode. Wherever you go, the mobile will be with you, and once you are back, you can check here. So you can either pause it,
Training paused.
finish, or resume, anything you like. So I'm putting finish, and once I put finish, you can, okay, there is an ad, let's wait for that. Yeah. So see, the best part of this app is you can see the map. On the map, you can see what route you have taken. You can see how much kilometers, that is the miles you have completed. How much duration did you walk for, that is in seconds. Now I just walked for 36 seconds. How many steps I took 35. How many calories I spent. So you can share this with anyone. Okay. Currently, let me share it with my friend. It takes a screenshot. I go to the WhatsApp and I share it with, suppose, okay, so this is how it goes. Okay. So you, if somebody asks you, like your family or your doctor is asking you to keep a track and a proof that yes, you did it, you can utilize this. But this is also for your own reference. You can see here you have a weekly data as well. See, on complete week, you can see that what is your data, what is your average time, or how much distance do you cover on a weekly basis. This is for ourselves. So click on day, it shows by time. Click on week, you can see the weekly data. Click on month, you can see, okay, for the complete month, how much did I walk, or how much did I spend my calories, or how much steps did I take. So this is really nice, and you can explore this. Here you have the training, so you can add it on your home screen also. I don't want to right now. This is my profile, which it's asking personal information. You can add all these profiles if you want. These are not my profiles, but you can add it here if you want. And step goal is something like every day I want to have these many steps undertaken, 6,000 steps, 10,000 steps, etc. So this is on an everyday basis. And you can also add a reminder for walking, like if I want to have like every evening 6 o'clock, so I can put a reminder like that. Okay. Language option is also there, and I'll request you to check this, and you can share your achievements of walking or running to your friends and family, and you can track this. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Take care.